In today's video, I'm going to teach you what an epic is in Jira and how to create one. Before we dive into the steps to create an epic, let's first understand what exactly an epic is within the Jira ecosystem. In Jira, an epic represents a significant body of work. Think of it as a high-level feature or a broad user need that can be broken down into smaller, more manageable tasks. These tasks could be user stories or various other issues. By functioning as containers, epics help you organize complex projects effectively and track the progress of substantial initiatives. Often, these initiatives might span multiple sprints or even require collaboration across various teams. Now, if you're ready to create an epic, let's move forward and demonstrate how to do this in Jira. First, you'll want to navigate to the top of your Jira dashboard. You should see a button labeled Create. Give that a click. This will open up a new window where you will input the details of your new issue. One of the first things you'll notice is the option to select a project. Here, you need to indicate which project will contain your new epic. Imagine this as choosing the workspace or context in which this epic will live. The next step involves specifying the work type. You will see various options here, but for our purpose today, you'll need to select epic from the list. This is crucial, as it helps Jira recognize this task as a large organizing container rather than a smaller task or story. Following this, you'll be asked to select the status of the epic. This could be to do, in progress, or another status used by your team. Setting the correct status is important, as it reflects the epic's current phase and can help your team see its level of completion at a glance. Now, let's add a summary. The summary should offer a clear, concise description of what the epic entails. Think of it as the title that gives enough information about its purpose at a glance. You've now filled out the three main fields required for creating an epic: the project, the issue type, and the summary. While these are the essentials, you may notice there are additional fields, such as assignee, date range, and more. These can be useful for further categorizing or tracking the epic, but they aren't necessary to fill out immediately. You can always revisit the epic to populate these fields later, once you have more information, or as the epic starts developing. Finally, the last step is to click the Create button at the bottom of the window. Upon doing so, your epic is successfully created and ready to serve as the organizational backbone for your project. That's all there is to it. Hopefully, you now feel more equipped to create and utilize epics in Jira. Thanks for watching.